friends, welcome back to Vertex 10. My name is Pishika and today I'm going to share 10 new English words along with sentences, synonyms and antonyms. These words are related to space exploration. So let's get started. The first word is galaxy. Sentence: our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy. Synonyms: star system, cosmos. Antonyms: earth, ground. The next word is orbit. Sentence: the moon orbits around earth once every month. Synonyms: circle, revolve. Antonyms: stationary, fixed. The next word is planet. Sentence: Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Synonyms: world, sphere. Antonyms: star, moon. The next word is telescope. Sentence: astronomers use powerful telescopes to study distant stars. Synonyms: viewer, scope. Antonyms: microscope, magnifier. The next word is gravity. Sentence: gravity keeps us firmly on the ground. Synonyms: force, pull. Antonyms: weightless, levitation. The next word is astronaut. Sentence: the astronaut floated weightlessly inside the space station. Synonyms: spaceman, cosmonaut. Antonyms: earthling, civilian. The next word is satellite. Sentence: communication. Satellites help transmit signals around the world. Synonyms: spacecraft, probe. Antonyms: ground station, base. The next word is universe. Sentence: the universe contains billions of galaxies and stars. Synonyms: cosmos, space. Antonyms: earth, local. The next word is lunar. Sentence: the lunar surface is covered with craters and dust. Synonyms: moon related, celestial. Antonyms: solar, terrestrial. The next word is comet. Sentence: a bright comet streaked across the night sky. Synonyms: meteor, fireball. Antonyms: star, planet. Thank you for learning. You have learned 10 powerful words today. Tip word of the day: universe. Your challenge: share what fascinates you most about space in the comment. Also try using these words in your daily conversation. That's the best way to remember them. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more daily English lessons. Also make new sentences with these words and share in the comment. Thank you. See you tomorrow with 10 more interesting words. Bye-bye.